guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert USD to USDT in Bybit safely and quickly. This is very useful if you want to trade or store your funds in USDT. Let's dive right in. First, open the Bybit app on your phone. Make sure your account is logged in and your funds are available. Bybit is a secure platform for trading and converting cryptocurrencies. At the bottom middle of the screen, tap on Trade. This will open all trading options available in your account. On the top left corner, tap on the Convert option. Here, you can instantly convert one coin to another without creating a trading order. In the From section, tap Coins and search for USD. Select USD as the coin you want to convert. In the To section, tap Coins and search for USDT. Select USDT as the coin you want to receive. Enter the amount you want to convert. You can use your full balance or a custom amount. Once done, tap Process to complete the conversion instantly. And that's how you can easily convert USD to USDT in Bybit. It's fast, secure, and perfect for trading or storing funds. If this video helped you, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials. Comment below if you want more Bybit tips and tricks. See you in the next video.